Left kick. Jigsaw trying to balance it.
Kick for great defense here from Moore. Certainly feeling the sting from the puzzle man Jigsaw.
Right high kick there from the commentator. If you're not confident,
A bit of jittery energy. You know, it's not uncommon. Japanese powerful shots. But Ryuya comes in blasting.
so easy. Right kick. Jigsaw in round two was incredible.
Don't fix it.
The Jigsaw did it. Two good body shots, then a third. Left kick. Jigsaw trying to balance it.
Punches and bunches there from Ryuya straight out of the gate. Returns again with the right kick. Catches the kick, digs the body in and sweeps him up. He comes, explodes out, firing out with the machine gun punches.
And the connecting, as well. He's taking it too, Jigsaw.
Could this be, gentlemen? Punches and bunches. A beautiful sweep to take. Some nice hands again, return, but pay the bell. Only 2 seconds to go. It's now or never. But there you go.